Hello everyone, my name is Prashant and welcome to EasyTech AI channel. So today we will learn how to use variables in Automation Anywhere A360. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos always. So in this video we will discuss about the how to use the variables in A360. Okay, so once we are in workflow designer, at the left hand side we can able to see the variable panel is there. Okay, so here we can have the two options are available. One is the variable, your variables, and one is the predefined variables. Okay, so your variable, that means the user defined variables, like whichever variables you are creating, those variables will be available here. And in the predefined variables you can have the clipboard. Okay, then the strings, whatever the strings, here you can see the enter, form feed, new line, separator, tab, these variables are available. And here the system variables are available. So those variables, whatever the system configuration, the current system configuration is there, based on that it will pick the values. If you will see the example for the day, so whatever the current date and time for that particular system, that it will take from the system here. So likewise we have multiple system variables here. Okay, so basically we have two ways to create the variable. One is from the from this panel. So there is a plus sign is there, just we need to click it here, and then we need to use the name of the variable here. I'm just like using str first name. Okay, and create the variable. Okay, so here you can see in your variables the str first name is available. Okay, and the second way is we can create it from the actions. Few of the actions we can able to create from there itself. Okay, for example I'm showing for assign action. Okay, from the string, here I'm using it. And then suppose we have just created this str first name, right? So I need to use another variable, and in that variable I need to store the string value. Okay, then I can simply click here and then I can use str city name. Okay, city name and create. Okay, and I need to assign Pune here. Okay, so likewise we can able to create the variables in two ways here. Okay, now we will see the type of the variables. Okay, so I'll just click here again and then we will see the types one by one here. So here the any type of the data when we should use. Okay, if we don't know the input data, what type is it? Okay, it might be the boolean, it might be the number, it might be the string. So whatever type of the data is coming, then we can use the any type of the data. Okay, then we have the string. Okay, so whenever we are storing any name, like it might be the city, it might be the person name, or any kind of the word combination, we can use the string here. Okay, so basically the characters we can store inside the string here. Okay, and then the number means we can store the digits, not if any character or anything is there, then it is not allowing to store. So just it needs to be store the digit here. Okay, so likewise we have the date time. Okay, so whenever we have the report data, okay, and this is available inside the excel, then there might be some dates are coming from the input, right? At that moment we can use the date time to store those kind of dates here. Okay, so that might be the date, or the some time zone also is there, so that we can store it inside the date here. So the boolean type of the data. Okay, when we should use. Okay, for certain condition we need to enable the flag. Okay, based on that particular flag we need to perform something. Okay, that means true or false, then we can use the boolean data type. So likewise we have multiple type of the data here. Here we can have the window. Suppose we are dealing with the any of the application window or the browser. Okay, then we need to store that particular browser tab or the window name. Okay, so that those things we can store inside the window variable. Next is the credential. Okay, the credential is the very important type of the data, because when we are dealing with the any secure string, that might be the username and password. Okay, so those things needs to be stored in the credentials. Okay, so the credential itself is the type of the data where we can store those strings. Okay, Then the list is nothing but, we are when we are going to the any grocery shop, right? Then then we are preparing one list. Okay, inside the list we are just giving some number 1 2 3 4 and whatever the atom. Likewise it is performing the same thing here. Inside the list we have the index and the atom. Okay, so likewise it will just append one by one the data inside the list here. Okay, the dictionary is the key value combination. Whenever we need to store any data in the key value pair, then we can use the dictionary variable here. Okay, and then the record when we are connecting with the any database. Okay, and we are retrieving the value from that particular database. Okay, then we are reading the value through the row by row. Okay, so likewise we have table, form, session. Okay, so those variable type we can use here. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm planning to create a separate videos for each type of the variable here, so you will have a clarity on how we can use these in a real time scenario. Okay, now suppose we need to copy the variable, then how we should copy? Okay, suppose this variable we need to copy, right? So then simply we can just go here in this three dot, and then from here we can use the copy variable to the shared clipboard. Okay, and we have the another option. From there also we can copy the variable. Okay, so here you can see the copy variable to the shared. Okay, okay, so here we can just select the variables and we can just copy. Okay, and suppose we need to delete the variable, then we can simply go here and delete the variable. Okay, so likewise we can use the variables and type of the variables in automation anywhere. If you are like this video, then please do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.